Alright, in today's video, we're playing Animal Company with the French toast. Again. Oh, crap. As you remember, I'm still new to the game.
Why can't it mine like Minecraft?
Alright, where should we go?
I don't know. Horror mode?
Yeah, why not?
I'll kill the red light, green light monster.
Yeah, we could go to the dark room. I got a flashlight now.
What dark room?
You know, like the horror level?
Oh yeah, over here.
Alright, why not? I got a flashlight now. Not scared of nothing.
Okay, stay here.
Okay. What the heck is that bouncing sound? Oh crap, I dropped my flashlight. We need a job. Oh, I see the angler. Move during the red light, green light. Is he coming for me? No, Spaz! No!
I killed it.
No, you definitely did not kill it! No! The angler! It's not for me! Oh, I died. I need my flashlight.
I will hurry. I'll stay here.
Alright, I gotta go grab my flashlight. I'm going. I'm on my way. Lead it away. I gotta grab my flashlight and then I can try to come save you. Can you come out of this little cave? He is? Okay, I'm coming down. I can see him right now. Where's... Okay. The red light, green light's back. And so is the angler. He's right... I don't know how to kill him either. He's literally like right here at the red light, green light. He's camping it. Okay, I'm out of here. My flashlight's gone. Do you want to go get the chicken egg? Okay, cause the angler's still down there. Are you stuck down there? Oh! Oh my gosh! Are you okay? Are you dead?
Yes, I'm dead.
You don't want me to grab it? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna try. I see my flashlight. He's the... Okay.
Oh, I see it.
Okay, yeah, grab it. Alright, let's get out of here.
Or I can super jump with this crowbar.
Alright. Okay. That was a success-ish. We got our stuff back.
To get the egg!
Wait, how do we save our items?
Backpack, but we don't have a backpack, so
We'll
just have to grab the egg.
we'll lose it? Or we're gonna lose this, right?
I'll see if I can kill the chicken.
Is that what the crowbar does?
I don't know. It kills the
Red light, green light monster? Okay.
which I already did, but then it respawns.
Actually, can I leave my... Well, how long do I have before this despawns? My flash... Okay, so maybe... Alright, I guess I'll bring it.
Let me see if this does damage. Oh, it does damage.
No, I can't. He's like... You died literally right next to the chicken. What's he doing? He's making noises. Okay, he doesn't have his mouth open. He's just sitting on top of it. I can see your crowbar. This thing Ah! SOS? No? Okay. He doesn't seem to care very much. Okay, I think this line is where I get too close. Alright, hold on. I'm gonna drop my flashlight over here. I'll pick it up. I'll pick it up on my way out.
I'm circling. Yo, there's a pogo stick.
Is that what I'm seeing? Okay, I'm gonna try to grab the egg, okay? Ow! I died. Well, that's unfortunate. Alright, I'm going back. Yo, what the heck is this bouncing that I'm hearing? I need a camera. I know, but how am I supposed to make money, though, if I can't? Alright, so can you distract the chicken? Nope! I fell. No, I might be able to make it back up. I fell, but...
Oh my god, he's surviving.
No, okay. Help, help. Ah!
I don't think you would be able to help yourself anyways because there's a giant rock.
Oh no. Not like this! Oh no. I died. No. Can you grab and set down my flashlight? Can you pick up and set down my flashlight so it won't despawn? Probably. Well, I just wasted my money. Yeah, it won't stop getting into attack. Oh yeah, what the heck? Is he chasing you?
Yes, I have him. Go. Go. Grab my crowbar and the egg.
Okay. The egg's not here. Oh, there it is. Oh, no crowbar. Oh! Ow! He's so fast! Am I safe? I'm safe. I got it. It's by the nest. I saw it. It's right by your nest. You got it? Yeah. Alright, I'm coming back for some loot. Actually, I'm gonna leave the egg right here. Can I come back for loot? I got the egg. I didn't see it. I'm grabbing a duck.
I got the golden monkey statue.
Wait, what sells for more, Coca-Cola or a duck? Alright, I'm bringing the duck then.
Here, I'll sell my stuff first if that's okay.
Yeah, I know, but I get to... Can I please sell the egg?
Yeah, I'm selling first though.
No! I fell with the flashlight!
No!
Don't worry, the egg is safe. Alright, I'm coming back for the egg. Okay. Yeah, just protect that egg for me, will ya? Alright, I'm coming. What is this bouncing I keep hearing? I want to save up for a camera. I can buy a camera with this?
I believe so.
Alright, drop it.
Alright, okay, where's my golden monkey statue?
All right, hold on. I'm gonna go back for one thing. I just want to see.
Well, let me see if it's still there. Oh, it's back. There's no way you're getting anything. Wait, there's a banana on the side that you might be able to grab over here. Right here.
Okay.
Wait, are you not holding the egg? It could despawn, bro. Because there's another egg. I think. I would keep.
All right,
Okay.
yeah, we can come back for this other loot later.
Oh shoot! I almost just fell off. If I hadn't had.
Okay, I'm leaving.
Yo, I can jump so far. I love crowbars. They're like.
This way? Yeah.
Yeah. Do you want to sell your stuff first, or do you want?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Come over to the right.
Oh, by the rocket?
Yeah, and then drop it in here. Drop it in the machine.
Inside?
Inside. Okay, and then click the buttons. Shoot. Yeah. Click the buttons. I'll go over here. No, let me move. I don't want to steal your money. Yeah, how much money did you No.
Looks like about 250.
Nice. Okay, my turn.
Okay, I'm gonna go sell. I'm gonna go look at what I can get. Oh yeah. Alright, I bought a camera. I have to do a quest. I gotta take a picture of the red light, green light monster. How do you take pictures? Spencer? How do you take a picture with this trigger? Do I have to buy something for this? Am I supposed to like... I don't know how the camera works.
Yay!
I just got a ton of money. Plus 113.
Oh, dang.
What?
Oh.
How do you take a picture?
I don't know. I haven't used the camera yet. I just stole the camera and I didn't know what to do with it. I would like to sing a song.
Okay, well, I don't know what to do with this. Am I supposed to buy fill on it?
This is Halloween, everybody make a scene in this town of Halloween. I am the one hiding under your bed, teeth gone sharp and eyes glowing red. I am the one under your bed.
Maybe I can't use it inside the safe zone. Can we go check out the red light, green light monster real quick? I need you to trigger. Can you trigger him for me? And then I just need to get a picture of him.
What? No, I'm not doing that. I think you just have to take a picture straight up of him.
Alright, well, can you... Alright, just come with me.
I'm scared.
I'm just scared of the angler.
Stay.
Okay, I'm gonna come.
Ba-doing, ba-doing, ba-doing. I wanna be in the picture.
It's like static on the screen.
Come in close.
Angler!
Okay, go.
Oh, go! Up! No! Alright, he's back. We're good.
Fine, you go down and get that picture.
I don't know how to take a picture.
I don't know. Well, how do you expect me to know?
You know what? Okay, I gotta stop buying crap I don't know how to use.
Yeah, that's probably a good thing. I like crowbar.
Is that like a weapon then?
Do you want? Yeah, do you want a crowbar?
I need a backpack.
Not that expensive.
Should we go try to grab the egg again then?
Ooh, okay. Do you want a backpack?
Yeah. Oh, wait, I can get a small one. Okay.
Okay, yeah, get this small one. I'll get one too.
How do you
they're on
put-
your back.
Yeah, how do you...
So you put it behind your back and then yeah, it's on you. It's on
I know,
you.
but how do you put stuff in it?
I think it's you click the other button that
Hold on. There's my camera, so let me just.
yeah. So if you hold it with your instead of pressing X to like drop it, you press Y to close it and open it.
Alright.
So then it would be beyond your other controller. You want a crowbar? Here, let me buy you a crowbar.
How do you pull it out?
Here's a crowbar. Don't kill me. Don't kill me.
You can kill each other? Alright, I won't.
Yes!
I won't.
Are you putting it in your backpack?
How do you pull it out, though?
I have no idea.
I don't know. I have 2 things in my backpack that I don't know how to get out. Oh, I just did something.
Where'd my crowbar go?
Alright, so.
Bro, it's gone.
No, it's in your backpack. How did I do that? I just pulled my camera back out. Is it triggers?
Oh,
It's
you
triggers.
can shake it out. So like this.
Okay, well, where's my crowbar?
just-
Oh, there it is. It came out already. Get in there.
Yes. Oh.
All right, I'm
just
gonna keep the crowbar out.
Yeah, it's a nice walking stick. See.
Okay, hold on. Let me grab it upside down. Should we go try to kill this chicken again?
But then we'll lose our backpacks. I don't know if I want to do the chicken. Let's go into the horror mode.
The horror?
Yeah, as much as I'm scared, we got this.
I know, but I'm scared of the freaking angler. I'm not.
Don't worry, we got this. If I die, then oh well.
What do you mean then? Oh well, you don't just get to say oh well and leave me down here. All right, I'm going.
Okay, stop.
I'm not down yet. I'm keeping an eye out for the angler. All right, I'm coming. I'm stopping. How do I kill this? Red like. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna kill it. Can you keep an eye out for the angler? What? I killed it.
Yeah, come on.
Where you at?
I'm over here. We don't got much time. Come with me.
The heck is that sound?
I don't know.
Where's the angler?
Can't come into this house, so
Okay.
I'm going up.
I feel much safer with a crowbar.
I don't. I don't. It's still scary. Oh, we should have brought a flashlight. What were we thinking?
We should have brought a flashlight. That's what we should have done.
I can't even. I'm jumping and I'm. Okay, there we go.
Okay, I'm very scared. I don't want to be down here.
Yeah, what's the monster like? Here, I'm gonna go look for it. Take my crowbar and all that.
Alright. I bet. Come at me. Stupid monster. I got this. Got this, dude. Got your backpack. Oh! Just flashed red. You can't see? Where are you at? Bet, are you alive? If I might just leave you.
No, please.
Alright, come back to the fire. Okay, then I'm going back with your.
No, please.
Okay.
I'm going. I'm scared.
I'm scared! Ah!
I hear something.
Abandoned ship. Okay, where's the angler?
Hey, what's to the left? Here. I'm gonna see if I can see anything from the second floor. You
The
know?
angler. Crap, there's the angler.
It's not coming in this area, so just stay here. And it has to see you, so. Oh my, no, I thought I was lost my cover.
Okay, the red light, green light. The red light guy's back.
I know, but
I don't.
I want to get up to the second floor, like from down here. Like, I'm scared. Here, can you hold on to my crowbar real fast?
What about that guy? That guy's coming really close.
Told you.
I feel much safer with these two crowbars. Dude, look, I can use them as climbers.
Yo, it's so oh.
Dude, look at me. Look up. They're like climbers.
Yo. Well, I'm
See ya. Ah! I dropped one. Where's the other crowbar? Where did your crowbar go?
Yo, did you lose it?
Hold on, let me leave my crap here.
No. The crowbar. No.
It's up here, I think. What does sound?
Oh, see ya. I got my crowbar.
Oh, okay.
I'm on the way to the second floor, but like,
Oh, you're on?
I don't know what to think. Like, it's kind of scary up here. It's kind of scary up here. Yeah.
Ah, I fell. Where are you at? Where are you?
Okay.
Angler.
Yeah,
Angler.
no. So he's over there. So
Hold on, let me grab the crowbar.
Oh, yeah, there we go. Yeah, this will help you move faster. Okay, ready? Set, go. To the left, to the left, to the left.
I'm not moving. Oh. I don't know, I'm kind of scared of the angler. Can you sell, like... Maybe. I kind of want to kill I gotta kill this red light, green light monster 3 times. Can you come back to where you enter and then you can... Hello? Is the angler after you? Okay, I'm gonna try to kill the red light, green light monster then. Okay. Is he chasing you? I killed him. Okay, where are you? I can hear you. I don't know, possibly. The red light, green light monster's dead, by the way. Are you sure? I'm at the entrance where the red light, green light monster usually is. He's dead. I can hear noises. What? What's going on? Okay, I'm at the entrance. I'm not that scared. This is fine. Oh, is he? Wait, where's your crowbar? Okay, so you at least have a weapon. Okay, we'll use this as a walking stick. Prop myself up. Red light, green light's back. I'm gonna go kill him. I need this for a quest. Is the angler still by you? Not moving. Gay boy, I didn't. Alright, he's dead.
Oh, he's dead? Okay, go. Meet me back at spawn and I'll tell you what I found.
Ow.
And then I found a gold bar to help us with money. I found a new level.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm coming.
Just come with me.
Crap, I dropped. Can I have anything to sell?
I think this gold bar counts for both of us. Hey, don't grab my stuff, though.
You have to sell it all?
Oh, if
Or
you
did
throw
you
in your
click all the
backpack and it has a lot of stuff in it, then yeah. Yeah! Did you just get money?
Yeah.
Okay,
Alright,
so
I'm gonna sell my camera real quick.
would you like to know what I saw?
Okay, alright, I'm selling. Get away, run!
Do you still want to know?
I didn't get any money from that.
You
Yes,
missed
I did.
oh,
Never
yeah.
mind. I got $2.
Okay, do you want to know what I saw?
Yeah.
So there's an imposter monkey. There's a level, and I saw you. It was you. Like, that's
Oh.
why I was asking if it was you. No, it was scary, though. Because
Yeah.
it was a dark tunnel, and I almost thought about following you.
Oh, that's mildly terrifying.
Yeah. Honestly, don't steal my car. Just putting my plunger in here for safe measures, so in case I need to, like, climb.
Okay.
Right,
Safe
in case
measures.
Yeah, in case I need to climb a roof, I'll just have it on me.
Dang, shotguns are expensive.
And how much
They
is it?
should add like an insurance thing where like you can buy like a locker.
Oh, is that a hover pad? Ooh, I like that.
I don't think I need anything.
Dang, a shotgun got even more expensive than last time.
Okay, do you want to go like just explore a little bit?
No, I want to show you what I
I
found. but let
don't
me
want to
get a
go down
flashlight.
there. The angler is down there, man.
Let me get you a flashlight. Let me get you a flashlight.
Yeah, if you buy me a flashlight, then yes, then I will go down there with you.
Wait, you want me to buy you one? So we need 2 flashlights. Got it.
Okay, if you
Okay, here's yours.
okay, I'm gonna hold this in one hand. Let me just empty this out.
Yo, we're cooking.
I like how they reset the money.
Every Friday.
Yep.
Yeah.
I love that. Keeps the game interesting. Okay. Light
Come
on.
Okay. So instead of going straight forward,
Turn to the right.
Yeah, go to the right.
Oh, we might as well kill the red light, green light monster while we're here.
No, I'm not.
Okay, just wait for me while I do it then. Let me make sure the coast is clear. All right, go look for the angler and make sure he's not over there.
Oh, he's over there.
Okay, turning your head is okay. What is that? That's a ghost.
Where?
There's a ghost! Frick! No! Shoo! I'm dead. Me? I didn't move. The what? The what ghost is that?
The horse? Yeah, that's from the full horror level.
All right, let's go grab our bags,
Yeah,
and then we'll run past.
now we're not going to freaking try to kill it.
Yeah, this.
Because now that you died, it's resetting how many times you have to kill it. You have to kill it 3 times without dying.
All right, I'll kill it again later.
3 times in a row without dying? Okay.
Yeah. All right, so is that ghost gonna hurt us?
Unless you're actually in the house. It flash banged me in the house and I got scared.
Okay, where's
It
my
was
crowbar?
scary as heck. Oh, your flashlight's up here.
Yeah, here's my flashlight. Where's my crowbar?
It's gotta be down here.
Oh! So it won't hurt us then? Hey, lady. There's the angler.
What is it doing? What is it doing?
It's reacting to my flashlight.
Wait, you only can see it.
What?
What did you do that?
What? I thought you said it was safe. You said it was safe. Oh, okay, so I see your flashlight down there. Where's your crowbar, though? Where's my crowbar? Okay, so avoid. Yeah, I know. I heard that too. I just got scared. She's gone though, and she was.
Okay, I'm freaking lowering down my volume. I can't have that happen again.
Yeah, no. So don't point the flashlight at her if you see her.
Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna keep my flashlight off while we're down here.
Wait, no, you're almost in it. Okay.
Okay, I'm going. Where's my crowbar?
Okay.
I think I died up here where my backpack was, so I don't know where my crowbar's at. There a crowbar over here? I don't know where my crowbar went. I'm just gonna ditch it. I don't care. Watch out, the angler's after you. I don't know. Where are both of our weapons? Why would you do that? Why would you do that? Ah! Really? Alright, thanks. Your plunger, though! Alright, I'm gonna come back up. I'm back at the surface. That's actually nice. That's all I need.
Yeah. Come on. Are you not coming?
Do
you have your flashlight?
I have a flashlight, yeah.
Okay,
I'm not gonna bring a crowbar. Crowbars are super expensive.
Yeah, no. I'll buy you one.
You don't need to do that.
I just need to grab my flashlight and my backpack.
Okay, there's a glitch that's happening and my screen hasn't gone dark yet. It's still very bright down here.
Oh shoot. Oh shoot, I'm going back up.
Why? Why?
Because I was glitching for a second and I don't want to die because of it.
My screen hasn't gotten darkened yet. Like, it's completely light down here. Okay.
I got my flashlight, so we can start heading over there now.
Okay, hold on.
Stop,
Your
stop,
backpack.
No, I have it.
I'm looking at it.
What? Oh shoot, I dropped it.
Alright, I'm over here.
No.
Don't move! Alright, we're good. Grab it.
Okay, I have it now. Okay, stop moving.
Yep. You can turn.
I'm sorry. I just looked at your
This way?
yacht. Yeah, safe place in the horror for right now. Let's just
Hold on, give me a sec. Oh! Don't turn on your flashlight. Spez, don't turn on your...
Come on, over here, go!
Don't turn on your light.
No, I'm not turning on my light until we're safe out of that zone. Bro, I'm scared.
Down here?
Yes, in here. This is where I saw that creepy guy.
Okay, can I have this Coke?
There he is.
Look at him.
I can put stuff in my backpack.
The angler's behind us. Are we safe?
Yeah, we're safe. He can't come in here.
Okay, I'm gonna turn on my flashlight, but just leave it on the ground.
I'm putting stuff in my backpack.
Okay, I'm kind of scared. I'm gonna grab this gold.
Yeah. I'm gonna grab the banana.
Okay. Crap, that's me.
Okay, that's you.
No,
Wait,
that's me over there, like the enemy. That's not me, I guess. There's you. Do we go over there?
Sketch.
I don't know if we should go for that. Because I just saw you. Okay, so we'll know it's each other when we see our bags. Where did you go? Oh, you're down.
Over here. So we need to stick together. I'm going.
Okay, wait. Hold on. Let me put the statue in my backpack.
No. Okay.
Stay over here by me so I can put the statue in. I kind of want to go sell this though.
No, we will. Okay, your backpack's running out of room.
Is
Hey,
it?
you
No, it's
right
not.
there.
Kill
I
it.
can kill him. I'm killing him.
Oh, he ran.
There he is.
Chase his cheek. They're behind you.
I'm scared. Kill him.
I don't have a weapon. Ow! Oh, Spencer! Okay. Help, Spence! I'm gonna die!
I can't. I'm going.
No!
Die, Mom.
My flashlight! No! I got it. You kill it? No, there's one right here at the very entrance. No, I'm super low. That's him. That's him. Kill it!
Oh shoot! I can't get him.
All right, then just leave. He can't come out here, I don't think.
I hit him.
He can't come out here, I don't think.
Die, monkey. Oh, I killed him.
All right, should we go back? I cannot go back in there, Spence. I will die.
Okay. I'm almost dead too. Well, I don't like that.
Okay, how do we get out of here?
It's over here.
I threw my flashlight.
You threw your flashlight. Is
Okay,
it
I'm
on?
good. No, I got it back.
Okay, this is a dead end. Well, that's a scary new horror level, too.
That one's not as scary though, because the monsters aren't really.
And it doesn't have a jump scare. It's just them wearing masks. Okay, ready?
No, it's not.
I'm gonna turn off my flashlight. Turn off it.
Yeah, I turned mine off too.
Bro, the anglerfish is camping. Wait, stop.
Okay, the angler's right there. I'm super scared. Okay, run. I hear the freaking thing.
I know, I heard the ghost. I'm scared. Bro, that thing's scary. Trust me.
What's
you
the
don't
jump
want
scare like? Is it just like her?
that. It's just her grabbing your face and having a bunch of shit.
Yeah. Hold on, let me get close so I can get the money too.
Okay, let's put all our stuff in.
Okay.
I only have a banana and a Coca-Cola.
Hold on, I have a Coca-Cola and some gold. Not yet. I'm not done.
Okay. Is that done?
Are you ready?
Yeah, click the button. We did it!
Well, I thought you said we have to run away from it whenever we sell.
Oh, I've exploded a couple times. Yo, I'm at half health.
I'm at a little more than half. I'm at more than half. I've got $700. What should we get?
I don't know.
What is this little square that's $700?
I have no idea. No, I'm not buying.
I think I'm gonna buy.
Okay. Want to try a different level?
I'm gonna buy a crowbar just in case.
Come with me. I have no idea what this level's like, so I have a flashlight in my backpack just in case.
Same. I have one in my bag.
That's a landmine.
Oh. I'm scared. I think I'm gonna grab my light.
I'll grab it if things get a little more scary. No, this is scary.
Are we jumping down? We're jumping down? I'm not jumping. Yeah, I do. Do you have your flashlight?
Yeah, let me grab it.
There's a flashlight right there. Right here. Are we back in this level?
No, this is a whole new level. I've never done this level. I've seen it, but I've never done it.
You know what there is?
Suspicious. Well, that was blocked off. So,
we can go this way. Didn't we? No, we didn't come from this way.
Oh, what? Oh, there's no light in there.
There's a red.
Oh, is that's an eyeball. Don't look at the eyeball.
Don't. Yeah. What's the eye do? You're not supposed to look at it? I didn't have to run, I just didn't look at it. Okay, can you get back down here? Here, I'll move all your stuff. Okay, I have to come back to your crowbar. Your crowbar is extremely sketchy to get to. It's super close to the eye. Okay, I got it. I got it.
It's over here. Okay. I'm here. Okay, you got my crowbar
It's
and
right
stuff?
there. That's your stuff. Okay, I don't really like this level. How do we get out of here?
I don't know.
The what?
I'm going for it. As soon as it turns green again, I'm gonna go for it.
Go for it. You just can't. Cause is it just you can't look at it? Okay. Are you dead? Spez? You dead? I see you. You dead? How do you get out? There's physically no way I'm getting out of that way. I'm gonna try this red wall right here. It's like, ow. Nope, not touching that red wall. Okay, I touched it and it did not kill me, but I did tons of damage. I just got flashbanged. No. There's a red light, green light. And tons of loot. Dude, you get down here. There's so much good loot. It's actually pretty easy. Just come down. Yeah, I'm gonna go kill the red light, green light to make it easier though. I see all your loot. Okay. Okay, hold on. Okay, hold on. I'm almost done killing it. It's dead, but there are things here. Little flashbang things. I can't see. Frick. Oh, Stanley, dog. Are you here? Just come down here. All your stuff's down here. Just don't even... Hi.
Come on.
Loot. Just loot up.
Yo, what is this?
I'll come back for my crowbar.
I think this is a health thing. Come here. Or is this just a balloon?
I think it's a whoopee cushion. See? Told you. I told you. Ooh, Coca-Cola. I know there's bananas over here. Oh, he's back.
Let's see him.
Can you kill him, please?
I'll try.
Actually, wait, I have to kill him. Oh crap, it's a flashbang thing. Oh, there's 2 of them. Ha, they missed. Kill it.
Why is it not?
Okay, I'm gonna go for my weapons.
It's not dying.
Just keep hitting it. I'm coming for it. All right, there's one of them flash things over here. All right, I'm okay. That scared me, but I'm okay now. Well, we might as well not leave these flashlights behind. Anything for money, right?
Well, I'm saving mine for.
I'm gonna grab this banana.
That looks like the exit. I found the exit.
Wait, dude, there's so much stuff. Where are you?
My game just. Oh my game. Oh my game.
What? Do I need to kill you?
Broken. No, it's broken. No, don't kill me. Don't kill me. Yo, help.
My backpack full. Oh yeah, it is.
Am I moving on your screen?
Yeah,
Where?
like right in front of the gold bar. Like right, do you see where I am? You're right here. Okay, what's wrong with your game?
It's.
Dude, quick rubies. And a flare gun.
I can't do it. My game just broke.
Headset battery low. You just died. Like you just, all your stuff just fell out in front of me. Oh, frick! I can't see. Is there another one? Yeah, I'm still down here. What? Alright, I'm still in. No. Please. Stupid little bomb thing, get away from me. Frickin' nuthead. F you. F you, F your mom, F your dog. I'm gonna use your backpack to get us more money, I guess. Ah! They keep trying to flashbang me. Stop! I'm so tired of this. Did you get a big backpack or something? Okay. I'm gonna just grab a crowbar and stuff for you. Will it save my stuff if I have it? Will it save stuff if I have it in my inventory? Okay, I'm gonna try to, I have like a couple crowbars and flashlights. I'm gonna just try to throw a backpack full of that stuff at the exit. I didn't hop on yesterday. Meh. Oh. Please. Please, I can't throw this. How much health do I have? Ow. Okay, there's gotta be a way to do this. Can I throw this guy? Okay. Nailed it. Okay, I have 2 backpacks full of just crap. I'm so slow though. Oh no. More? Dude, I'm so scared right now. Is there anything that can help me? No. Get on. Chill. Dude, I can't see anything. Yeah. bomb. Oh, I died and lost all our stuff. The end.